Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this eye to headlight transitions in CapCut PC. So first you can start by preparing the two footages. The first one is the eye. You can just add any footage with eye visible on it like this, for example. And then here you can add the second clip, which is the headlight of a car. And after that, you can just click on the first clip and remove the unnecessary parts. So I'm going to split and delete in here. And also here, like this. And then adjust the positions of the eye to meet with the headlight. So I'm going to put the footage at the top first and adjust the position. I'm going to lower the opacity of the car headlight in here to see the position of the eye. Let's click on this eye footage and let's have a zoom in effect. So add a keyframe in a transform in here and go to the end of the clip. Add another keyframe. Okay, and in here just zoom in and positions the eye to match with the headlight. Again. Okay. Still not quite right. Can just adjust it. Okay, so now I think it is enough. Let's try again one more time. Okay, so now the position is quite right, and in here you can just put the second clip here after the first one. Don't forget to adjust the opacity again to 100, and now add transitions. Find the mix transition, this one, click on it, and let's see the result. So that's it. That's how you can create the eye to highlight headlight transition in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.